Find the equation of the line passing through the points negative 3, 5 and 2, 7. To find the equation of a line, we need to start by finding the slope. Our formula for that is that m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The first point has an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate, so there's x1, y1. The second point has an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate, so there's x2 and y2. Plugging these into our slope formula, we've got y2, which is 7, subtract y1, which is 5, divided by x2, subtract x1. So I see on the numerator we've got 7 subtract 5, which is 2. In the denominator, 2 subtract negative 3 is the same as 2 plus 3, which is 5. We have the slope, and we have at least one point. We can now use the point-slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Filling in what we know, we've got y minus y1, which we had identified to be 5, equals m, which we had just calculated to be 2/5, times x subtract x1, which way back here was negative 3. Now, general form has no fractions, so the next thing to do is get rid of fractions by multiplying everything by the common denominator. The only denominator I see is 5, so we'll multiply everything by 5. On the left-hand side, we distribute, so we've got 5y minus 25. On the right-hand side, we reduce these 5's out, and so there's no more fraction. We distribute the 2 through. We've got 2x plus 6. General form has everything on the same side of the equation, so at this point, let's zero out the right-hand side by subtracting 2x on both sides of the equation and subtracting 6 on both sides of the equation. So on the left, we've got negative 2x plus 5y minus 31. On the right, everything cancels out, and we've got 0. Finally, general form is not allowed to lead off with a negative sign. So let's multiply everything in this equation by negative 1, which will give us 2x minus 5y plus 31 equals 0.